Hi, my name is Danny, and today I want to bring you my top 10 up-and-coming travel channels on YouTube. So I got this idea from Combi Life, which is a major channel on YouTube, a major travel vlog that a few years back did a video highlighting their favorite travel channels on YouTube. And so I'll leave the link in the description to their original video, but today what I want to do is going to be with a little bit of a twist. We're going to be looking at the top up-and-coming travel channels, meaning only channels that have less than 1,000 subscribers, trying to highlight some of the people that you may not have heard of before, you may not know, but they have awesome content on YouTube. It was really difficult to pick the top 10. I had a lot of people that sent me links wanting to be included that had awesome channels. It was really difficult to choose just 10, even harder to choose the order between the 10. But I will just, as a side note, give information at the end of this video on how to subscribe to all of them. And so don't feel like you have to keep pausing every couple seconds to look up a new channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. The top 10 up-and-coming travel channels on YouTube. So starting at the list at number 10 is Aldo and Cieni's Trips Around the World. So Aldo and Cieni are a couple from Portugal that started their channel about a year ago. They traveled together to different countries. One of the unique features of their channel is they actually have a video of North Korea, which is pretty rare to find on travel channels. But definitely enjoy their videos. Their quality is very, very high. Could easily have had them listed higher on the list, honestly, because they do make great content. So go check them out. Next up at number 9, Nomadi Professione. Nomadi Professione is a channel of two friends from Italy. It again is a very small and very new channel with only 6 videos out right now, but the quality of their videos is really world class. Their style tends to be quick highlight reels that are montages of places they've visited, which is a style that I really like personally. It's a style that most of my videos follow. And they've been to Scotland, they've been to Norway, Poland, the Maldives, Valencia. So some diversity in terms of the countries you'll see, despite the fact that they've only have 6 videos out. So definitely recommend them. Nomadi Professione, number 9. At number 8, we have Sam Harvey. Whereas a lot of travel channels are destination based, Sam's channel tends to be concept based or theme based in terms of the video structure, but the quality is really, really high. Honestly, he might be the best pure videographer of any of the channels that are included on this list. I really, really like the content that he puts out. The video quality is next level, and he does have some surfing content, some snowboarding content. So you know I love action sports. Definitely had to show some love to that. So Sam Harvey coming in at number 8. At number 7, Max 10. Max 10 is based out of Germany, and he started his channel about 3 years ago. The majority of his more recent videos are drone montages of various locations, including San Francisco, Italy, Spain, etc. And his video editing quality is really, really high. Without a doubt, videos are world class. Definitely would recommend checking him out. At number 6, Cedric JB. So Cedric has really cinematic videos of the places that he's visited. One of the things that's really cool about his channel is that he has a video of the country of Vanuatu, which is super hard to find on travel channels on YouTube, especially one that's up and coming. But his video quality is really high. One of the things that I really like about his channel is the way that he captures portraits of people from around the world, really highlighting the diversity of the global community. And so definitely a channel that I would recommend. Moving on now to number 5, Joel Bryan. Joel is based out of Australia, and he's another one of those guys that clearly has a strong background in videography. It's very obvious when you look at his channel, the quality of the videos that he puts out. The majority of his videos are from his home country, but he does have some from other countries as well. And in addition to the videos of the destinations themselves, he also has a few videos out there just on tips of how to edit and how to get the quality of videos that he has. And so that's definitely helpful information if you're someone who, like myself, is also starting a channel, but definitely a channel to recommend high quality videos, definitely recommended. Next on the list, at number 4, is Juan Liebana. So Juan is a travel vlogger from El Salvador, which is the country where I currently live. It's a beautiful country that really doesn't get the recognition that it deserves in terms of its tourism potential. And so definitely wanted to feature a channel that was dedicated to that. The majority of Juan's videos are from El Salvador. He does have a few from other Central American countries, but they're really high quality. They really highlight the beauty of El Salvador. We actually have, ironically, a few videos of the same locations. And although the majority of his content is in Spanish, he does have content in English as well. So even if you're not a Spanish speaker, definitely check out his channel. It really highlights the beauty of El Salvador, from the mountains to the beaches, all of it. So definitely check him out. Coming down now to the top 3. At number 3 is JG in HD. JG in HD is a channel that's really dedicated to hiking and more of that adventure travel style of traveling. A lot of his videos are from the Pacific Northwest of the United States and from national parks. For me, I really love this channel because it's a bucket list thing for me to visit all the national parks, and all the ones that he's featured I've never had the opportunity to go to in person. He does a really good job of interchanging between montages of just highlights of the places he visited with clips of him and his friends talking and doing more of a vlog experience. The interchange between the two is really smooth. His timing on his transitions is really smooth. Clearly, as somebody that has high quality video editing background, and very, very high quality channel that I definitely recommend. At number 2, we have the channel Genopop. So Genopop's channel is primarily travel based. It does have a fitness component as well. But what's really amazing about his channel to me is the amount of countries that are featured. Normally when you look at a small up and coming travel channel, it's usually based in one part of the world. My channel, for example, has mostly Central American videos, but you look at Genopop's channel and he's got countries from literally everywhere. I mean, the guy has been all over the place, and the quality of the videos that he puts out are really, really well done. They really show the beauty of the places that he's visited, and it's definitely one of my personal favorites to check out. And last but not least, coming in at number 1 is Nick Hazel. So Nick is based out of the United Kingdom, and he's actually had his channel going now for about 10 years. While there was a lot of difficult decisions that had to be made in terms of ordering the channels that I include in this video, there was never really any question that Nick was going to be number 1, because his video quality is really just next level. I mean, you look at it and you'll see for yourself. It's incredible what this guy is able to do with his camera and with his editing. He also has quite a bit of surfing content, which is something that I personally love. Definitely helped to boost him up to number 1. But even besides that, if you're not a surfer, check him out. His content's incredible. It's honestly shocking to me that he hasn't topped 1,000 subscribers yet, but let's help him get there. Go ahead and check out his content. So definitely want to go ahead and encourage you to check out all of these channels and subscribe to them. I'll leave a link to each one of these channels down in the description in alphabetical order, so you can check them out. And if you've liked this video, please subscribe to my channel as well. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and happy travels.